Hi, good morning, boys and girls. Okay, today we are going to do another part of addition. All right, this time around is going to be addition with renaming. Okay, so what does that mean? Okay, I'm sure by now you already can do the addition without renaming because it's just mainly counting on. All right, so today we are going to do something new. All right, so I need you all to have to be focused, okay, and just listen and watch. Okay, so if I have a sum at 35 and 8, okay, so what I do is, now I'm still going to use my number list to show you. So I have my tens and my ones. Now because there's two numbers, so I need to draw a line to separate the two to show my addition. Okay, and I'm going to prepare on my right hand side. Okay, so here is the tens and the ones. Okay, so here as you can see, 35 is definitely bigger than 8, so I'm going to show you 35. So 35 is 3 tens, 1 2 3, 3 tens and 5 ones. So 1 2 3 4 5 ones. Okay, so you have that. So what you can do is you can also write that down, 3 tens and 5 ones. Okay, now next, add to 8 ones. Okay, this time around there's no tens. All right, so it's just 8 ones. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So 8 ones. Okay, now I'm also going to show you, okay, that I'm going to add here 8 ones, and there's no tens. Okay, no tens, so that means you don't even have to write anything there. All right, because there's no tens. Now those of you who wants to write a 0 there is fine, but otherwise just leave it blank because there's no number. Okay, all right, let us continue. So now we work, always remember, we work with the ones place first, not the tens. Okay, so let's count on. Addition is counting on. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So you have 13 ones. Okay, now remember when you have okay, ones means it cannot go beyond 10. All right, it cannot go 10 and above. So which means you can make a 110, meaning all you need to do is to take 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So this is your 10 ones, and what I do is I'm going to change these 10 ones to my 110. So I'm going to shift this 10 because it's like you know, you have one complete 10. Okay, 10 sets there, so you are going to shift it over to the tens place. So remember just now, 5 and 8, 5 plus 8 is 13. So what you do is this 10, you shift it over to the 110. So here, what's left is 1 2 3. So that's 3 here. Remember the shifting. So from here, you're going to shift it over to the tens. So in this case, the 3 is here. You shift the 1 over to the tens. Okay, so this 10, I'm going to make it to 110 there, and I'm going to take away the ones. Can you see that? Okay, so now it has how many tens here? 1 2 3 4, 4 tens, and 1 plus 3 is 4. So your answer is 43. Okay, all right, let's do that one more time. Okay, with another example. Okay, perhaps you have add 43 and 9. Okay, add 43 and 9. Okay, so what I do is, again on the side, I'm going to put my tens and my ones. Now, because there's two numbers, so I'm just going to separate it. All right, so here, same thing, tens and ones. Now, 43 and 9, definitely 43 is bigger. So I'm just going to put 43 is 4 tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens and 3 ones. So 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. So I'm going to write down 43. All right. And 9 ones. Okay. So I'm going to take my ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So you have 9 ones. Now again, as you can see, there's no tens. All right, you can just leave it blank. All right, or for those who want to write a 0, it's fine with me, but you can just leave it as it is. So now remember, always do the ones first, not the tens, but the ones place first. So now let's count on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is definitely more than 10. So what you're going to do is you are going to make it to 10, because you are going to shift this over to the tens place. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So you're going to shift this set over to the tens place. Okay, so I'm going to shift that over to the tens place, but because it's the tens place, I'm going to change it to 110 and take away the ones. So here I have ones is 1, 2. So here is 2. Now remember, you shift the 110. All right, so you put a 1 plus there. So here will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 tens. 1 plus 4 is 5 tens. So your answer is 52. Okay, do you get it? All right, let's do another example and see whether you can get this. Okay, right. Let's say if I have another sum. Okay, let's do add 54 and 9. Okay, add 54 and 9. Okay, same thing. All right, you have to prepare your tens and your ones. Okay, because there's two numbers, so what you do is you divide it into two parts, and on this side you have your tens and the ones. Okay, 54 and 9, definitely 54 is a bigger number. So what you do is you show your 54. 54 is 5 tens and 4 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 tens. Okay, 5 tens and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. Okay, so I'm going to write that down. 5 tens and 4 ones. Add to your 9. 9 ones. Okay, again, there's no tens, so you can just leave that. Okay, and put your 9 ones here. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So you have 9 ones. Okay, so you have 5 tens, and 9 ones. Okay, there you have it. Try and, okay, to make it look like that. Okay, can everybody see? Right, so now you have your 54 and 9. Now remember, okay, you count on starting from the ones place first, not the tens. So the ones place, here you will have 1, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You have 13 ones, okay? So that is definitely more than 10. So you're supposed to make one group of 10. Very good. So take this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So you are going to shift this 10 over to the tens place. Okay? So what is left here is 1, 2, 3, 3. Okay? And remember, you're shifting 1 plus. So you're shifting this over to the tens place, and you are changing the ones to 10. Okay? So here you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens. 1 plus 5 is 6. So your answer is 63. Alright? So that is the working for addition with renaming. Now always remember, for addition with renaming, alright, you have to always start with the number on the ones place. Add the ones place first. Okay? Now remember, whatever the answer is, it cannot be more than 10. If it's more than 10, that means you got to move it to the tens place. So it's 1 plus something. Okay, whatever the number given. Okay, and from there you find the total. Okay, everybody? Alright, we are going to have some exercises. I need you to take out a piece of blank paper. You are going to copy down the sums for me and then try it on your own. Okay? Alright, goodbye.